to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, it is St. Patrick's Day, and you all know that on St. Patrick's Day everyone celebrate and do different kind of things. Today I want to make a punch again. I do the volume 1 before, and I feel like to do volume 2 because today is St. Patrick's Day and there's a history between Jamaica and the Irish. Remember, the Irish that come to Jamaica and do fight. And if you know your history, and if you go on the internet and even type up about Jamaican and the Irish, you will see a lot of information. Come on. Anyway, today we want to make a nice, lovely Irish punch, and we're gonna use some Irish mash and also some Irish Guinness to make the punch. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Google plus me, and also give me a like, and 500 likes, 500 comments, I will be happy. So please share the video, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo, and we always give the best recipe one more time again. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm going to be using, as I said, the Irish Guinness and the Jamaican Irish mash to make a nice lovely punch. Alright, so we're gonna go into business now. So basically I'm gonna be using my Ninja blender to make this lovely drink. I have a lot of ingredients here and I'm gonna be naming them out. First thing, I'm gonna pop some almond inside of it. Roughly about 12 almond. Right over here I have some peanut punch which I'm going to be using. So inside of it, I'm using a Jamaican peanut punch. You can get that at the local shop to buy or your supermarket. So that's the peanut punch. Lovely. Then this is Jamaican Irish mash moss. It's like it's thick, so I'm gonna be using this in it. So you have to give it a good shake. So this is a Jamaican Irish moss, M-O-S-S. So I'm gonna pop this in it like this. Wow, it's gonna be a lot. I don't want it to be too much, you know. But I like the moss because, you know, it's really nice. Then we have some Guinness. This is the Irish Guinness I'm going to be using. I'm not using the Jamaican Guinness. Just gonna pop a little bit in it. So we got some oats. I'm gonna put a little bit of oats in it, just to combine it. Then also we got some nutriment, and I'm using the vanilla flavor. We're gonna put some vanilla inside of it. Teaspoon of vanilla. A lot of stuff we have I use. We're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. And also a pinch of grated nutmeg egg. Whole heap of stuff. Gonna put some sweet condensed milk, not too much. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna blend this. Alright? Nice one. So we're gonna blend this about 4 to 5 minutes. So basically I just finished blending it. What I'm gonna do is just pop some ice in my glass. Nice one. And then remove it. Irish moss and Guinness punch. Nice one. And another pour it inside of this. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. That is fantastic. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. You see that? Lovely. So, we all know that today it is St. Patrick's Day, and a lot of people been celebrating, a lot of people making food, different kind of dishes, different kind of stuff, and I'm here to just play my part because Jamaica and also the Irish, they do got the history. Remember, the Irish come to Jamaica and fight and battle for Jamaica also, if you know your history. So today I make a Irish mouse and a Guinness punch again, and the Irish Guinness, and I make a punch from it. It's just fantastic, guys. I'm just sharing that with the fans them, that, you know what I mean, if you wake up and you want to make something totally different today, this coming really handy. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming out for the fans them. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy yourself and have a lovely, lovely weekend, and enjoy the St. Patrick's Day. See you next time. Bye bye.